So I'm in Wix and I want to work on the menu page. So I'm going to go to Menu, Page, and since this is indeed a restaurant site, it's an actual menu, not the menu that we're editing, no pun intended. So if I want to start in the page, I can edit the text. And since this is a menu, there's actually a database where all the menu items are kept at Wix. So a menu page is going to take you to a place where you can granularly enter data about different items, and you can kind of work that way. But if you just want to edit text on a page, we're going to go back and go to a different. So I've clicked on Pages, I've clicked on About Us, and I can click in my text and click Edit Text and start typing in here. And you can see that you get kind of pop-up menus and choices based on what you are selecting and doing. It's contextual, so you can see that you can choose the font size and color, and maybe change that here. Hit change, and done. I think I have to have it highlighted before I can do that. So let me just select that. There we go. And then you're all set. So that's how it updates the text. And let's see what this does. This can animate, and this will give us help. So animating means that when you click on this page, something is going to happen to that text. And it's going to bounce in. So if you're familiar with programs like PowerPoint, this is going to happen. So when the user clicks on this page, it'll animate the text in. However, be warned that may not work on all browsers or in all different platforms, like different mobile platforms. So that's something that's cool about Wix. And if you preview it, you can see it here, what's happening, and you can go back to the editor. So the thing about Wix that's a pro and a con in my mind is that you have a lot of features that you can add. There's a lot of cool functionality that you can add. You can move things around a little bit, but so I've moved this down, and you just kind of move your text boxes wherever you want to on the page, and then behind the scenes Wix is going to update that. To me that's great, but that also means that you have a huge rabbit hole that you can go down here, moving things around, changing things, and then maybe not getting them back the way you want them. So it may have a little bit more functionality or a little bit more design and playfulness to it than some of the other CMSs that we're looking at, but it also seems to take a lot more time and patience just to move the elements around that they have. So that's my caveat about it, is that if you're in a hurry and you want to get something up that looks really good, then you maybe want to go with a different editor. If you want to play with something and change it and make it super cool, this may be a place for you. So it just depends on what your focus is, who your audience is, and how much time you have.